saw a bright light coming from the vehicle.
Yeah, there was a bright light, a light that it felt so pure, that light. And when your vehicle was supposed to turn, and I saw when that light came, and you went down on your four wheels, and you went into the grass.
Wow.
That is powerful. That is.
Are you sure it was not your mind?
No. Because why my daughter came to me that evening and he said, "Dad," I said, "Yes." He said, "Did you see that light coming from the uncle's vehicle?" And that is when I grabbed her. She's sitting in the vehicle in my car also. And I grabbed her and I said, "I saw it also." And so it's not a thing that I just saw in my mind. It was I experienced it and my daughter experienced it.
Wow.
Now that's something that I never, from now on, I want to be protected like that. Wow. You know, if you got that kind of, I know God exists,
yeah,
but I never truly believed and to follow him. And I want to do it. Wow. I want to tell the people about what happened, because what happened with you, Pastor, it's a turning point in my life.
Wow.
And
wow.
I praise God for that.
Wow. 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 I see.
Pastor, you've got my number. Anytime you need to speak to me or...
Okay. God bless you. God bless you.